Africa, oh Africa, a land flowing with milk and honey. Yet the African child goes to bed on an empty stomach. A land filled with countless fruits and vegetables. The continent with the largest agriculture. Yet the African man suffers to feed himself and his family. The richest continent in natural resources, yet the poorest in the world. We have gold, diamond, bauxite, oil, and many others. Yet we have no money, and always have to go borrowing money from our oppressors. We've gained our freedom, but still choose to wear shackles and chains. We've gained our independence, but we're still in bondage. We chased away the slave master, but still live like slaves, obeying every word of the master, and always begging for his approval. Fighting one another, just to eat crumbs from his table. We've thrown away our culture, our tradition, our beliefs, and our religion for that of the masters. We've branded our tradition as evil and the masters holy. He told us to close our eyes and pray with a Bible in our hand, but by the time we opened our eyes, all we had was a Bible. But he had our land. So we fought him and took back our land. But how come we're still suffering? How come we're still in pain? How come we're still in tears? We thought choosing our own people as leaders will mean our emancipation, not knowing that will lead to our incarceration, segregation, manipulation, and confiscation of our happiness. Our own people that we chose as leaders are treating us worse than the slave master, forcing the poor to work tirelessly while the rich and powerful sit on the high table enjoying the fruit of the poor man's labor. Africa, oh Africa, when are we gonna grow? When are we gonna learn that the secret to our success lies inside of us and not in the Europeans, not in the Americans or the Chinese? The secret to our success is our unity, because we are self-sufficient. We have all it takes to grow. But if we don't come together as one, working together on a united front, the enemy will always find a way to penetrate and cause us to stumble and fall. So let us put aside all our differences and come together as one, because together we stand, divided we fall.
Our enemies are many, and they stand ready to pounce upon and exploit our every weakness. They play upon our vanities and flatter us in every kind of way. They tell us that this particular person or that particular country has greater or more favorable potentialities than the other. They do not tell us that we should unite, that we are all as good as we are able to make ourselves once we are free.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to receive more videos from me on WhatsApp, you can join my WhatsApp group by going to my Facebook page. That is Dr. Dennis BENTIL. When you get there, just click on like and then click on follow. Don't forget to click on see first, else you won't see all my posts. You can find my WhatsApp link on any of my posts. Just click on the link and click OK. That's it, you're in. Just so you know, this is a closed group. It's not for chatting, it's not for posting. Only I and my team can post in this group. When you join this group, you can send me a DM, you can ask me questions, you can send me your prayer requests, and I and my team are gonna pray for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.